1010 app tutorial. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So 1010 app is a mobile walkie-talkie application which will turn your mobile into a walkie-talkie. This application is absolutely free and is available in your Play Store. Simply search for 1010 in your Play Store. This is the one that you would be looking for. Install the application and then open it. Now, enter your age, continue, and then simply you will get a code. Copy that and send it to one of your friends, and from there you will be able to add them. Now your phone you will be able to use your phone as a walkie talkie. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.